Are doing a ceremony today to honor the Spring Equinox.
So the Spring Equinox is a very powerful and auspicious day because we are celebrating basically new beginnings and the perfect balance between light and darkness. So today we're going to celebrate that by planting seeds of intentions, because it's the perfect time to plant the intentions of whatever we want to create and manifest for ourselves for the new season.
We're going to be using different tools like meditation, breath work, movement, dance, and all of this is in order for us to create inner peace. It's been said that as above, so is below, as within, so is without. So our hope, our goal today is for people to create great balance within so that they can bring that balance into their lives, into the outer life. When we create peace and harmony within, then we are able to bring it into the world.